All right, in this video I want to show you a walkthrough on the repiping of PEX piping through this 8-unit multi-unit apartment in Central Florida. I want to show you a broad sweep of how it's being done in this particular complex, and you can look at the description for further details. So we're in Central Florida, and this particular apartment complex, as you can see here, is multi-units with big oak trees that are over 100 years old, which has caused roots to be uprooted in my particular complex, in my particular unit downstairs. They've had to go in 5 times in the last 2 years to the concrete slab, jackhammer it, repair the pipe, and then redo the flooring, which it cost them about $1,500 a pop to do it each time. All right, so there's 8 units in all, 4 on the outside. It's of course double story, one apartment, and then 2 in the back with a total of 8. You get the picture. All the utilities are stacked, like the bathrooms are all stacked symmetrically in the center. But I'll show you my apartment here in a second. So as you can see here, what they're using is PEX piping right here. So here's where the main city water utilities come through, as you can see right through here. And they're putting brand new blue PEX pipe in here, and of course going underneath the ground. Again, we'll go inside here in a second. So the whole point is that they're bypassing the plumbing and the pipings that was actually going through the utility, city water, going all the way through my first floor living room area underneath the slab leak, concrete slab, and then branching out to the other units. What was happening is this oak tree, 30 years old, this complex is 30 years old, it started to, the roots would keep growing, and then it would break the pipes, and then there would be a leak, and then the water meter would go like crazy. People's water bills would go up, and then of course they'd be knocking on my door, click, 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 5 times in the last 2 years. Very, very frustrating. So as you can see here, the PEX piping they've already dug. We're on day number 2 right now. Day number 1 took the digging, and as you can see here, PEX piping is going all the way through here, and then going into my living room wall right here. As you can see here, they dug down through here, PEX piping, and most likely they'll have risers going up with more PEX piping up here on the side, and then going in up here. But my particular apartment is like the center distribution area. All right, let's go ahead and go inside. I'll put the average cost of how much it would cost something like this with an 8-unit. Well, I mean, we're looking at probably $40,000, I'm imagining. I could be off because I don't have the figure, but it would have to be expensive. All right, so let's go ahead and go inside. This is my unit, first floor, and I'll show you, of course, where it goes in. All right, so this is where the living room area is. So come down through here, PEX piping right here, and they've already put insulation and everything. So the blue PEX piping goes through here, and then goes up here, right? And it's going through the cavity of this ceiling here. Now, of course, got a neighbor here on top. That's one of the units. Got a neighbor right across here past my laundry room area. That's another unit. Diagonally, there's another unit. You get the picture. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. So they're, the apartments are around 800 square feet maybe. So times 8. All right, so it came up, PEX piping up. This is the outside, up through here, through the cavity between apartments. One line went all the way through here, and one line is going all the way through here, right here. Ignore this drywall, this is old, the paint here on the ceiling, and right through here. So they have an access that they went through here. They lead the PEX piping right to here. All right, and then from here, they went down here, of course, to get to my utilities through my laundry room area. And then from there, they have one line that's diagonal going all the way through here. As you can see here, there's the access area right here. And then from here, there's an access area. So it went from here to here, and this is probably going to, well, not probably, is going to my kitchen for the plumbing there. And then it's going all the way. There's two lines going through here. One to the bathroom, or to the bedroom. I'll show you in a second. One through here. As you can see, there's an access line here. Access. And this is old. That could shows you how much leakage this is in this apartment complex. Right down through here, and then up here to get to, of course, to my bathroom fixture. All right, and then, like I told you before, there is a line that's going to, this is one bed, these are one bedroom apartments. So it's going through here, right? And then going all the way to here. And then that's going down to here, and that's getting to my shower. So, pretty interesting. I'll show you out here. I had a total of 5 slab leaks in the last 2 years. Let's start seeing water bubbling up here. And yes, water will go up through the concrete slowly. And then, of course, they knock on my door because someone's water bill is going sky high because there's a leak here. They'd have they'd use like a little sound detector coming in, and they would stamp to hear with headphones on to see where the leak was. So I've had actually 2 leaks here behind the refrigerator, 2 leaks here, and probably 3 over here. I mean, literally, I would come home and they would be head deep with their head where they couldn't find the leak. So really, over the last 5 years, I've had probably 7 or 8 of them, and they were head deep trying to find the leak, and they finally, found it that specific time. After that, they'd have to, of course, put all the dirt back in, redo the cement concrete slab leak, let that dry, and then they would have to come and put the flooring. And we're talking about it would take a whole week every time that they would have to do that. And of course, that's probably because of this big oak tree where the roots was up ending it. All right, if you have any questions, put in the comment section. I'll put a long description on this particular unit of what they're doing. Like I said, they put risers up to get to the other apartments, but this is the central distribution here. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.